The receiver I bought for this Hellcat is a Spectrum 8-channel receiver, the AR8020T receiver. I didn't get the satellite receiver for this. I'm not worried. This does have telemetry, but I'm not going to worry about telemetry. Only thing I will be concerned about is the battery voltage of the flight battery. I do have a Spectrum DX8 radio transmitter. I've already bound the receiver to the transmitter. Basically, when you plug the battery in for the first time on this, it goes into bind mode. Then you put the receiver or the transmitter into bind mode, and I just used the same setup as what my plane that crashed, the Seagull, that I took everything out of and using this plane. I used that, just renamed it. All the setups are the same. I made some changes, leveled everything out, trim and all that. But what I'm going to do is, for the servo setup, is I'm thinking the center sections will be on flaps, center sections and outer wing section flaps will be on its own Y harness. One will be plugged into the flap channel, and I mixed auxiliary 2 with the flap. Now we can see that moving. So those will be mixed. And then I was thinking the ailerons would be on a H or a Y harness as well. But I will put one aileron servo on the aileron channel, and I mixed the aileron with auxiliary 2. You can see both aileron and auxiliary 2 moving, and I'll have to make adjustments for directions and whatnot once I start to connect everything, get the servos connected to control horns and all that. So I'll make adjustments as I connect everything. The gear, I'll have electric retracts. So I'll have those will probably be on a Y harness into the gear channel. And as for all my electric motors, this zero mix switch, I have a kill. When it's in the up like this, it kills the motor. Those that have worked with electric motors, they can bite you, and I've been bit. So when the switch is off, I have throttle control. And then when I turn the switch off or on, it kills it. So no power to the motor, so I could be working on it on the plane, and with this switch on, I don't have to worry about the motor, the prop getting me.